That thing sounds wicked. Guys, welcome back to Pites Performance Tunes. My name is Alex Pites, and we have a very special announcement for you today. This is a moment that we have all been waiting for 3 years now. Now, HP Tuners does officially support the E99 ECM found in the CT5B and the C8 Corvette. That means 2020 to 2023 Corvettes are now supported, as well as the CT5B Blackwing, and more to come soon. So we could not be more excited to share this news with you, and we also could not be more excited to share this car with you that we're about to do some runs on. We're gonna make some noise, we're gonna have some fun, it's gonna be awesome. Guys, stick around and we'll check it out. Now that we have HP Tuners software, tuning support for the C8s and the CT5Bs, and more to come, now we can do many more things, such as camshafts, strokers, more boost, more power, more everything. Basically anything you can pretty much imagine, we can do, and we're really excited about it, and we cannot wait to share those things with you. For more information on some of these items that you can look at and some of these packages you can purchase, go to pitesperformancetunes.com and check out our NA, Charlie Plus packages. Also check out our boosted packages, ranging from Bravo Light, which picks you up about 170 horsepower, all the way to Alpha, which picks you up to 800 horsepower. Some of you guys who may not be familiar with the tuning process when using HP Tuner software, first, you're going to need to remove your ECM and send that into HP Tuners. They will unlock your ECM, send it back to you. At that point, you can use the software to read the file out of the vehicle. Once you've read the file out of the vehicle, in order to flash the tune that you write for the vehicle, you will need to purchase credits for the vehicle. Once you've done the unlock process, purchase credits, at that point, you can now tune the vehicle and flash it as many times as you need to get the vehicle dialed in. Now, you only need to purchase credits one time, as long as you're using the same MPVI device every time. If you change your MPVI device, or if you change your operating system and or VIN number, then you're going to purchase or need to purchase additional credits in order to cover that flash. So if you guys have more questions on this, please feel free to contact our sales team, and we can certainly answer those questions for you. We can also get you set up with the unlock and get you set up with the credits. If you're a shop, we can also get you guys set up with as a dealer for us, in which we can help you in getting that done as well. Any other questions, again, contact us. We're here to help. Some additional considerations you want to take when going to tune your C8 would be, one, you need to make sure that you have a GM AC Delco compatible J2534 tool. That's typically in the form of a Mongoose cable, as you may have seen them, or a Cardac M from what used to be Drew Technologies. There's also many other J2534 tools you can purchase. You will have to use this J2534 tool at the end of the flash process after you flash the C8. You will use that tool to do what's called a serial data authentication configuration. It's a lot of words, I know, but it is required in order to make the ECM jive with the rest of the car. And basically, it's a process where the car looks at all the modules that are on the bus, on that whole communications network, and make sure that all those modules are communicating with each other effectively. At that point, you will be able to test the vehicle and do your logging, look at the data, make adjustments, and then do another serial data authentication after you flash the vehicle again. Here at Pites Performance, we have all the tools necessary to properly tune the C8. If you guys want us to do the heavy lifting for you, feel free to let us know and we can help you out. We can also help you out remotely as well and get you set up with the right tools and walk you through the process that way as well. So please feel free to reach out to our sales team if you have any more questions on that. You guys may be wondering, what's going on with this car behind me? Well, there's a lot going on with this car behind me. It is our latest and greatest Bravo Plus package. The basic components of the Bravo Plus package include a built motor from late model engines with head studs, main studs, forged pistons and rods, also ported heads, also axles, clutches, and our direct port methanol injection system from ProMeth. This car additionally, of course, has the camshaft, and it has our auxiliary fuel pump system, which we are now also going to be offering on our website as well. So a lot of cool stuff in this car. We're really excited to see how it goes, and I think you're going to really like it, and we're ready to make some horsepower. I don't know about you. Holy crap, that thing sounds awesome. So wicked. And you just need to be here in person to experience it. It's amazing. The D-cell pops, the horsepower, the sound. I mean, this is my favorite car by far that we've done. Sorry for all my other customers, but it's awesome. Anyways, so we made 946 wheel horsepower and 852 pound-feet of torque. That's up from the stock numbers of 405 horsepower and 390 pound-feet of torque. So incredible gains thus far. However, I think we can go a little bit further. I would love to make 1,000 horsepower, wheel horsepower on our Mustang dyno with this thing, because it would just be incredible, and it just speaks volumes for the ability to add a camshaft, add other port injection, or excuse me, auxiliary fuel pump injection in this case, and other aspects like that, and of course being able to tune it with HP tuners. So let's see if we can make a little more out of it. If not, I'm extremely happy with these numbers as well. So let's see what we can get. Holy crap, guys, we just made over 1,000 wheel horsepower with this C8. That makes this the highest horsepower C8 we've ever had on this dyno. This Bravo Plus is now the new Alpha. So now we gotta come out here with an Alpha, put a cam in it, and show you guys that as well, which that's gonna be coming very soon. For now, let's just enjoy this and check out some of the numbers. I'm gonna go back to the baseline and compare with what we have right now, just so you guys can get an idea. So, going back to the baseline numbers, we made, I believe, 405 wheel horsepower, and now we're making over 1,000, 1,030 on the green screen to be exact. That's 1,230 crank horsepower, factored off of the Mustang dyno. A dyno jet reads roughly 10 to 13% higher than our dyno does. So 1,000 horsepower on this dyno is around 1,100 or 1,140 wheel horsepower on a dyno jet, most typically that we've seen. So that is unreal numbers. That's insanely awesome. This cam has made a huge difference, and being able to use HP tuners to bring it all together, dial it in, has made all the difference in the world. So now we can keep chasing more numbers, higher numbers, more power, faster times. It's really exciting. Things are going to get awesome. And if you haven't done so already, please be sure to subscribe to us on this channel and turn on your notifications, as well as follow us on Instagram at Pites Performance, like us on Facebook, and above all else, stay tuned.